Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going for a bold cap method, so I'm sure you guys know about this method already. So this video, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make your closure look like a frontal. Okay, so just in case you haven't subscribed, guys, and you're watching this video, please do click the subscribe button and join the family. Okay, so I've just sprayed some got to be glued spray just around my hairline, and I had to go ahead and blow dry it, and so now it is dry, and I'm just gonna go ahead and trim off the excess piece of the cap. Okay, so you need to make sure that the gel or the glue is completely dry, otherwise the cap will be rolling up, hunty, and you don't need that. Okay. So in this video, I did use a cap that matched my skin tone, or almost matching my skin tone. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my powder just to blend everything, make sure it blends with my skin tone. Okay, so I'm using this unit I made from Nadula hair. So I've had this unit for like 2 months now, you guys, and this year is just like giving me life. Okay, and I had already done my parting when I washed the hair and everything like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and see how it is looking. Okay, and when I done this, I was like, okay, I don't really like my parting on this side, but right now I'm just showing you guys that you can actually see that this looks absolutely amazing. Look how flawless that is. Like, look at the parting looking so natural and well blended. Like, seriously, no need for concealer and powder or whatever that is. Okay, so yeah, we are ready to go. Like, you can never go wrong with Nadula hair. Like, seriously, I love their hair bundles. Their closures are as big as you can imagine. Like, seriously, they have the best closures. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down my closure, you guys, using my Got to Be Glued. And you guys, you need to make sure that when you apply this, you apply it at the edge of your cap, and you want to make sure that you use something like a rattle comb, and make sure that you lay everything down, making sure that the cap is not rolling back. I'm gonna follow on by using my Got to Be Glued spray, just to make sure that I'm creating a nice kind of base for laying my closure. Okay, so as you can see, guys, already it is looking melted. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry to speed up the process. Okay, like right now, you guys, you can see that it is now tacky and that looks melted. Like, seriously, where is the bold cap? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and lay down my closure, hunty. Like I said, you can see how wide Nadula hair company closures are. They are so wide. I love them. I absolutely love them. And I'm gonna just do a little bit of baby hairs. I wanted this to look as natural as it could. I did not go over the top with the baby hairs. I just did like a little bit. Okay, and when you're doing this, make sure that you do apply a little bit of some gel on the sides of your head as well, just to make sure that this looks like a frontal. That's what we're going for. Like, seriously, it is kind of messy because I didn't want it to look defined, like I said. Okay. So I'm using my wrapping mousse just to make my parting look nice and flawless and flat, and brushing out the hair. Like, seriously, this hair is just amazing. I haven't got anything negative to say about this hair, you guys. Like, you know, guys, I love Nadula Hair Company.
Can I get your name or your number? So we could get close, don't wonder. Where you wine strikes like thunder. You gonna make me the wonder. Wait till you get for your under.
So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.